Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to make a spider with crochet. So to make this spider I have used single crochet stitches and made the body and leg separately, and at the end stitch them together. So let's see what all you need to make this spider. So to make this I'm going to use this thread from Lion brand, and for this thread I am going to use crochet hook of size 2.0 mm. You will need a stitch marker, needle, scissor and some fiber filling, and to make the eyes you will need black color beads and black color. So before we start to make this spider, so I would request you, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel so you get to know my more creation and ideas with crochet. So let's see how we are going to make this. So first we are going to make the body of the spider. So take your thread and make a magic ring. So once you have a ring, in this ring we are going to make 6 single crochet stitches. So chain 1 and then make 6 single crochets. After 6 single crochets, just pull this loose end to close this ring. Now onward second round we are going to work in back loops of the stitches. So as you can see, this chain stitch has a V shape like this. So this is front side and this is the back side. So we are going to work in back loop of these stitches. This is my chain 1, skip this chain 1. Now take your hook in back loop of first single crochet here and make 2 single crochet. So 1 and 1 more in same back loop. 2. Now put the marker in your first stitch. Now we are going to repeat this stitches, work in back loop of this stitch and make 2 single crochet. So at the end of this round you will have 12 stitches. Done my 12 single crochet, completed round number 2. Now in round number 3, take your hook in the back loop of first stitch and make 1 single crochet, then back loop of next stitch and make 2 single crochet. So 1 and 1 more. 2. Put the marker in your first stitch. So in round number 3 we are going to repeat this stitches. In next back loop make 1 single crochet, then in next back loop make 2 single crochet. So like this, at the end of round number 3 you will have 18 single crochet stitches. Round number 3 is done. Now in round number 4, in next 2 stitches work on back loop and make 1 single crochet. Put the marker in your first stitch. Then next stage, work on back loop and make 2 single crochet. So in round number 4 we are going to repeat these stitches. In next 2 stitches work on back loop and make 1 single crochet. Then in next stitch work on back loop and make 2 single crochet. Like that complete round number 4, and at the end of round number 4 you will have 24 stitches. So round number 4 is done. Now in round number 5, in next 3 stitches work on back loop and make 1 single crochet. Put the marker in your first stitch. After 3 single crochet, in next stitch work on back loop and make 2 single crochet. So in round number 5 we are going to repeat these stitches. In next 3 stitches make 1 single crochet. Then in next stitch make 2 single crochet. So at the end of round number 5 you will have 30 stitches. So round number 5 is done. Now in round number 6, in next stitch work on back loop and make 2 single crochet. Put the marker in your first stitch. Then in next 4 stitches work on back loop and make 1 single crochet. So in round number 6 we are going to repeat these stitches. In next stitch make 2 single crochet, and then in next 4 stitches make 1 single crochet. Work all these stitches in back loop. So at the end of round number 6 you will have 36 stitches. Round number 6 is done. Now in round number 7, in next 5 stitches make 1 single crochet. Work in back loop. So after 5 single crochet, in next stitch make 2 single crochet. So in round number 7 we are going to repeat these stitches. In next 5 stitches make 1 single crochet. Then in next stitch make 2 single crochet. So at the end of round number 7 you will have 42 stitches. So round number 7 is done. Now from round number 8 to 14 we are going to make 1 single crochet in back loop of each stitch from our previous round. So take your hook, the back loop of first stitch, make 1 single crochet. Now put the marker. Then in next stitch work on back loop and make 1 single crochet. Then in next stitch 1 single crochet. So like this make 1 single crochet and complete round number 8 to 14 by making 1 single crochet. So at the end of round number 14 you will have 42 stitches. So I have completed round number 14 and we have total 42 stitches. Now in round number 15 we are going to decrease the stitches. So to do the decrease, take your hook, the back loop of next single crochet, grab the thread and pull through that, and take your hook in the back loop of next single crochet, grab the thread and pull through that. So you will have 3 loop in your hook. Now grab the thread and pull through all 3 loop in your hook. So here we have decreased 1 single crochet. Now put the marker in your first stitch. Now in next 4 stitches work on back loop and make 1 single crochet. So like this, repeat these stitches, make 1 decrease, and in next 4 stitches make 1 single crochet and make total 30 stitch. So when you made total 30 stitches and come to your last 6 stitch, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, in next 6 stitches make 1 single crochet. So round number 15 is done. Now in round number 16 make 1 decrease, then in next 1 2 and 3 stitches make 1 single crochet. Now repeat these stitches up to your last 6 stitch, make 1 decrease, then make 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. So I repeat these stitches till my last 6th stitch and we have 24 stitches. Now in next 6 stitches make 1 single crochet. So at the end of this round we will have 30 stitches. Now in round number 17 make 1 decrease, put the marker in your first stitch. After 1 decrease work in next 2 stitches. So like this, repeat these stitches, make 1 decrease, and in next 2 stitches make 1 single crochet and work up to your last 6 stitch. Now once you come to the last 6 stitches, so in next 6 stitch make 1 single crochet. So at the end of this round you will have 24 stitches. Now at this point we are going to stuff this gap. Now in round number 18 make 1 decrease, put the marker in your first stitch, then in next stitch make 1 single crochet. So like this, repeat these stitches up to your last 6th stitch. You have to make 1 decrease and 1 single crochet. Now in next 6 stitches make 1 single crochet. So round number 18 is done and we have total 18 stitches. Now in our next round, in next 9 stitches, make 2 single crochet. Put the marker in your first stitch. Next 8 stitches, make 2 single crochet. I've worked in my 9 stitches. Then in next 9 stitches, make 1 single crochet. So round number 19 is done. Now in round number 20, in next stitch, make 2 single crochet. Put the marker in your first stitch. Then in next stitch, make 1 single crochet. So repeat these stitches up to your last 9 stitch. Now in last 9 stitches, make 1 single crochet. So round number 20 is done and we have total 36 stitches. Now from round number 21 to 24, we are going to make 1 single crochet in each stitch from our previous round. So 1, put the marker in your first stitch. Then in next stitch, 1 single crochet. And in next 1. So like this, make 1 single crochet and complete round number 21 to 24. So round number 24 is done and we got this shape. Now in round number 25, we are going to decrease these stitches. Now to do the decrease, again take the back loop, grab the thread and pull through that. Then take the back loop. Now grab the thread and pull through that. So you will have 3 loops. Now grab the thread and pull through all. Now put the marker. Now put the marker in your first stitch. Then in next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Now repeat these stitches, make 1 decrease and then 1 single crochet 8 more time. Now in next 9 stitches make 1 single crochet. So round number 25 is done and we have 27 stitches. Now make decrease. So like this, make 8 more decreases. Then in next 9 stitches make 1 single crochet. So we have 18 stitches. Now again we are going to stuff this with the fiber. Next round we are going to decrease 9 times. So 1 like this, 8 more times make the decreases. So after 9 decrease, in our last round we are going to work 1 single crochet. So take the back loop, make 9 single crochets. Now pull this thread and cut with some margin. Now take this thread in a needle and take the back loops of next stitch, and we are going to stitch this gap. So we completed the body. Now we are going to make the legs. So to make the leg, first make a ring. Now in this ring we are going to make 6 single crochets. So chain 1 and make 6 single crochet. Now just close this ring. Skip the chain 1 and top of very first single crochet. make one single crochet. Then in next single crochet make one single crochet. So like this make 4 more single crochets. So like this complete round number 3 to 20. So I have done my 20th round and stuff the filling also. So this is the length for the leg. Now at the end what you have to do, take the front loop of next stitch and from this side take the back loop of next stitch and make a slip stitch. Then in next stitch take the front loop and in this side take any stitch and make a slip stitch. Now make chain 1, pull and cut this thread so this part get close, and we have our first leg. Like this you have to make total 8 legs. So 1 is done, 7 more. So I have done all 8 pieces. Now we are going to make the front teeth for the spider. So make a slip knot in your hook. Now make chain 5. After chain 5 skip first chain and in next 4 stitches make one single crochet, hide this loose end, so 4 single crochets. Now make chain 1, pull this thread and cut with some margin. Take this thread at this end, this is going to be the front teeth for the spider. You will need one more piece like this. So total 2 pieces you have to make. Now we're going to stitch this leg and teeth to the spider. You can see this side, it's a flat side, so this is the back of the spider and this is the top. So just put it like this. So this is the neck. Here put one leg. So first I'm going to arrange this. So like this is going to be front leg, and these three are the back legs. Same like this, arrange the legs in this side also. Now one by one we are going to stitch the legs to the body. So this is done. Now take this leg and fold to this point. Like this. Now we are going to stitch on this joint to make the leg in this form. So like this you will get this shape. So like this we stitch the first leg. Now you have to stitch all remaining legs like this. Stitch first to the body, then fold like this, and then stitch this center part to give this structure. So I have stitched all the legs. We are going to stitch the teeth. So take this thread and a needle, and this is our last round. So, and this is the second last. So the second last. This is done. Same like this we are going to stitch the second teeth to this side. So this is attached. Now we are going to attach the eyes. Now we are going to stitch the beads. So take 4 black beads, and at the first, second, third and fourth row arrange the beads in this manner, 2 in the center and one at the side of each beads like this. So I'm going to stitch all these 4 beads. So I have placed the 4 beads. Now I'm going to make the embroidery at the back of this spider. It's optional. If you want, you can decorate this with the embroidery. This spider is ready. I hope you have learned from this video. If you have any questions or query, please do let me know in comment section. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.